Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing Fiverr and Etsy specifically for digital sellers. If you create digital products, templates, graphics, or other downloadable items, choosing the right platform can make a big difference for your sales and income. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on freelancing and online selling. Let's start with Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where you can sell services called gigs. As a digital seller, you can offer things like graphic design templates, social media content, website graphics, or custom digital products. Clients come to your gig, choose the package they want, and purchase instantly. Fiverr handles payments, delivery, and client communication in one place, making it convenient and secure. It's ideal if you want to combine service-based work with selling digital products and reach a global audience. Now, let's look at Etsy. Etsy is a marketplace focused on handmade items, vintage goods, and digital products. For digital sellers, Etsy allows you to upload downloadable products like planners, design templates, printables, or digital artwork. Buyers come to Etsy specifically looking for digital goods, which means your products can sell continuously without direct interaction after the purchase. Unlike Fiverr, Etsy is less about providing a service on demand and more about selling products repeatedly, giving you potential for passive income. So, how do they compare? Fiverr is great if you want to offer customized digital services and engage with clients for unique orders. You can earn through one-off projects and build a reputation with reviews. Etsy, on the other hand, is better for pre-made digital products that can sell repeatedly without much ongoing work. Your success on Etsy depends on product quality, SEO for listings and marketing, while Fiverr relies more on gig visibility and client interaction. Another difference is the audience. Fiverr has a broader global audience seeking services, which can mean more competition, but also more opportunities for custom work. Etsy attracts buyers specifically looking for creative digital products, so your store can target a niche audience more easily. Many successful digital sellers actually use both platforms: Fiverr for service-based orders and Etsy for products that generate passive income. In short, if you want custom work, client interaction, and service-based income, Fiverr is the better platform. If your goal is selling pre-made digital products for continuous sales, Etsy is the way to go. Both platforms can complement each other, allowing you to maximize your earnings as a digital creator. If this comparison helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more online selling and freelancing tips, and share it with anyone looking to grow their digital business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.